I hadn't really thought this through ahead of time.
Is that a pun?
No. Ain't nothing trying to be funny.
I don't know what I think about this one. Okay, come on, let's do it, man.
I've really got to get angry at this.
Who are we fooling, man?
Right.
Come on!
Oh, gosh, come on, let's do a countdown. Oh, I'm so angry at this pizza!
3, 2, 1. There's a hard part of it. You make this difficult.
I'm shivering. You can do it, man. You can do it.
I got a little bit now.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, now listen. I'm gonna take off my nose.
Oh, I didn't have one of those. That's why you...
There's bones in this.